Okay, this is the first one from me. So this is my empties for the last few weeks. Let me share with you what I would recommend and what I would rather never buy again. So first up is my Fusion Vitamin C Serum. This is one of my absolute favorite serums to use every single day. First thing in the morning, it gives you that refreshed feeling on your skin. It's antioxidant and it smells amazing. So remember, Fusion is available in South Africa and in the UK. Message me, ek sorg jou uit. Next up, another Fusion HA Deep Filler. This is good for fine lines and wrinkles. It's a good everyday serum that you can use on top of your vitamin C serum and before your moisturizer. It is a great add-on. You can probably do without it, but if I have to choose between the two, the vitamin C is my number one, absolutely. This is a nice to have if you need to fill a bit of lines. Again, Fusion. Both of them, would I recommend them? Yes, of course. Next up, the LMS Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. This is the black cherry. Honestly, this is the best thing ever to remove your makeup. I'm still using my Fusion Deep Cleanser, but I will always use this first to remove any foundation, mascara, eyeshadow, noem het. Hierdie is goud. So, hy is op my Kersfeeslys. Ek sê net, die grootte. But in any case, I have used the yellow one and this one. This one smells amazing, but they are both great products and it also doesn't leave your skin dry and tacky. Definitely will buy again. Next up, you know I'm on this hair growth journey. So far, so good. The Chapeau Pita Growth Serum. Honestly, for the size, for the price, it's a high-end product and it comes with a high-end price. I would not recommend it, sadly, but it smells amazing. I would literally just buy it for the fragrance, maar not worth the money. I have since replaced this with the new Ruth serum, guys, and I am impressed. But that I will do in another video. This, in short, I personally think it's overpriced. Daar's 'n rede hoekom hulle hierdie by Harrods verkoop. Ja. Good old trusted South African microkeratin Magic Cream. Hy's nou klaar. Ek het nog een botteltjie, but microkeratin, please come to the UK. This sells itself. It's good for colored hair, bleached hair, frizzy. Dit is net amazing as jy dit het. As jy dit nie het nie, dan droom jy van dit. But again, yes, if I could. But I cannot. So then this is my e.l.f. Brow Tinted Gel. So hair growth journey, lash growth journey, and brow growth journey. Ek do my lashes now over, I think it's probably, I cannot remember, 6 months that I stopped doing lashes. And my lashes are lashing for once in my life. So I am doing the same with the brows. I'm growing the brows and the lashes and the hair. So, hierdie hou die brows in toom en is 'n bietjie van 'n tint. Hierdie goed. It doesn't last long, but will I buy it again? Absolutely yes. I'll buy 2 at a time. I love it. Here is an empty, but not empty yet, but almost empty. Charlotte Tilbury. If you've been following me, you know that this foundation is literally the only foundation I ever use. The Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin, and I use it in the color 6 Neutral. And remember, if you click on the link that is in the top of my TikTok profile, that takes you to my link tree, there is a link for Charlotte Tilbury. En hier is nie sales gimmick nie. Hierdie goed is net legit the best. I love it. This does last me about 3 to 4 months. and I do occasionally top it up just over. Today I haven't, but sometimes just over the Charlotte Tilbury I would put a little bit of the Fuera Skin Foundation, but this is my everyday go-to. Definitely recommend. So must-have products, your beautiful skin foundation. Hierdie LMS is a lifesaver. Ja, hierdie I cannot do without this. And my vitamin C. I need this every day. When we went to Italy, I did not take my vitamin C with. And when we came back from Italy on the summer holiday, I don't know if it was the sun or what, but my skin was looking dull and tired. And the minute I got home, this was the first thing I started using again. And instantly, I could see my skin was looking radiant again. So, hierdie ouetjie. So, these are my top products. Chapeau. Moenie geld mors nie. I wasted my money, so you didn't have to. Microkeratin as jy in Suid-Afrika is, mors jou geld. As jy in die UK is, gebruik dit op iets anders. Okay, and AJ filler is great. If you have fine lines and wrinkles, hierdie ouetjie is jou beste chommy. Laat weet my of julle van hierdie empty hauls hou. Moet ek dit weer doen? Wat wil julle meer sien? Laat weet my. Bye!